Well, it's super windy. That's why I didn't want to film this, but it ended up being a lot deeper than I thought. Just these small little diggings. It's not many, they're quite spaced apart, but there's a tight little creek here, and these are just sort of off to the side of it. It's really thick scrub. I'm basically on my hands and knees half the time trying to get through here. Yeah, but anyway, I've got the target out of the hole. You can see how deep that is. I reckon at ground level would be exactly the depth or the height of the coil, which is 12 inch. Got the 12 inch Evo on the 45 today. And hopefully I haven't lost it. So here's the kinder. That's what's making the sound. Fingers crossed. You've got some colour. Trying not to get the camera too close. It's a fair old bloody signal. Not in that one. Not in that one. Get rid of that. What do we got? Oh, that's a bloody nice little nugget. Get rid of all that. Still a bit of crap in the scoop. Beautiful. That's pretty deep for that size. Lovely. I've dug a couple of small bits of ferrous that were fairly shallow, and walked past some fencing wire. Well, that's about it. It's pretty clean. So yeah, we'll keep going.